Network. Tonight we're going to be making a beautiful dessert.
Hi, welcome to the Gypsy Food Network. Tonight we're going to make a dessert, and it's going to be a French dessert, which is going to be consisting of the French pastry. So what we're going to need is 1 cup of water. We're going to need also a stick of butter or margarine, whichever one you have on hand. And we're going to put all this together. And then we're going to put our stove on so we can melt all this. We're going to also need 2 tablespoons of sugar, which this is going to be a sweet pastry. And also just a little bit of salt just to bring out the sweetness. Now I'm going to run this and make it into a boil. I'm going to let it go. And then when it comes back, I'll show you what else we're going to do. Okay guys, we're back. And our water is boiling, and we're going to dump all of our flour all at one time. And we're going to continuously mix it with a wooden spoon. And you continuously mix it until it becomes a ball. Okay, so you're going to cook it for about 2 minutes like this. And I'll be right back, and I'll show you guys what the dough looks like. Guys, and this is what it looks like when it's ready. It forms into a ball. It pulls away off the bottom of the pan. Okay, so I'm going to let it cool, and then we'll go down back. Now we're going to need 4 eggs at room temperature, and we're going to add them in one at a time. Now you can do this by hand, but you need a wooden spoon, and it is a lot of work. And there goes our first egg. And what we want it to do is incorporate before we put in the next one. I'll put this a little faster. And it will smooth out into a nice dough. So I'll be right back after. This is what it should look like when after the eggs are in it, and you blend it for a while. Mix it for a while. Even if you're going to do it by hand, it should look like that. Then you get your pastry bag and you start filling it in. And what I have is a large star tip on here, okay? And the star tip is 1M, okay? Get this. Okay, just want to see if it's open. Then all you do is you get it and you just go like so. Now even though they look small, they will be puffing up very large. Enough for you to do what we got to do with them. Okay. So we're going to continue to do this. And all you're doing is just pushing it in and bringing it up, and we'll show you about the tips in a little while. So I'm going to continue to layer these. Guys, I put them on here, and these little tips, you want to put your finger in a little bit of water and just seal them down so that they don't burn, because you're going to leave them in there at 400 degrees and it's going to bake for 20 minutes. Okay? So we're going to do this and get these points down. Now there's still a lot of batter left, so they'll still be making some more, but I want to get these done so I can show you guys what they're going to look like. And we'll be right back. I'm going to go pop them in the oven. Okay guys, we're back. This is what they look like out of the oven. They're very light. I cut one and I took the top off, and all you do is you put your knife in here after they're cooled and just cut the top off, because we're going to fill it up and decorate it. Okay? So that's what it does. And what we're going to do is we're going to get our ice cream. And I shall do this in a second. I'll be right back. Okay guys, what you do is you get your baby scooper and you fill it in like so with your ice cream. 2 per person now, guys. Or however much you want. Put your top back on like so. And I made some of that raspberry berry sauce That was just a package of frozen berries, and I put some sugar in there and just let it go down. Okay. And just pour it on the top. And just let it drip. Now you can also do this with chocolate syrup if you want, or whatever you want. But we had this. Okay? And I hope you guys enjoyed it. And this is something a little bit more different than filling it with cream. This time it's with ice cream. I want to say God bless all of the subscribers and all of the friends. And until we meet again from the Gypsy Food Network, God bless.